when we enter the new area. We just park our van wherever is not blocking anybody and then go explore by the foot, and if we find a better place for our van then we will just change the spot. Yes, let's go explore. Ulla appreciates this place, so I think this would be an okay place to be because it's next to the water, but let's go see the cape. So here is a fire hut, so we can shelter terrain if things get wet.
Look how many pans is here. Just choose one.
And on the wall there's even more. I know a lot of people think it's a good idea to leave your pan here so other people can use it, but I think it's littering because most of those pans are usually just trash.
Even if here is axes, nobody takes them, which is really good. Just a couple of places that we have seen that there has been missing an axe or saw. They always keep in here. But this is owned by a paper company in Finland, and they let people to camp here for short term from January to I think September or something. But yeah, end of the summer.
Wow, quite windy. We are stuck with our traditional gender roles, so Jani will go to the grilling spot and lights up the fire, and I prepare a salad in our van.
Let's go, boys.
Whenever we have a chance to eat outside, we do.
Best part of life.
Eating. The food has been enjoyed and the suckiest part is now behind us. So doing the dishes. Dishes are clean. So now they are drying there in the air. And I have a little surprise for Jenny. Pineapple gin tonic. You can buy those ready-made pineapple gin long drinks, but they're so expensive, so we will make our own. A little drink to celebrate us hitting the road. And when I say little, I mean a lot.
Oh. This is a new thing in Finland, so pineapple long drink, and we made it ourselves. Or Sarah did. My love. Quite much gin.
I like it strong. We are going to be so wasted. No, only one drink. One big drink, that is. Okay, I did a little mistake. It's supposed to have also this grape soda in it. Now it's proper. So gin, pineapple juice and grape soda. Yeah, now it's more like gin long drink.
2/3 of grape and 1/3 of pineapple. Now it's talking.
Now it's not so strong. Oops, silly me. We sure will enjoy being here in the nature next to the big waters. And somebody did ask us, is there mosquitoes and bugs near the waters? Because we are very often near the waters. But no, in Finland the mosquitoes and bugs and midges do not come next to the water. They are in the forest. So if you go wander around the forest, there will be a lot of bugs, but not near the waters. So it's kind of opposite what in Europe is. And in Finland we do build our houses very next to the shoreline. because water keeps away all the bugs.
It's raining, so we came inside. But we had a blast outside, just sitting there and enjoying evening.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna be inside. It's not a bad thing.
Not bad thing at all. Look at the rain.
True crime on YouTube and rain. That's our entertainment for this evening.
Her son's head.
And of
She now
course.
back up to talk to her partner, Steve.
Joo, se menee nyt tuolla. Onpa lämmin.
Niin jo.
When you're wild camping in the forest of a paper company, yeah, there's some machines cutting down the trees. Yeah, that started like 6 AM, but we have been awake until then. Yeah, we make a good breakfast, good coffees, wash the dishes, and went for swimming. Yes, we do sometimes our dishes by the lake, but we are not using any dishwashing liquids, so don't get offended. We just use water and throw all the grease on the ground. Just in case somebody gets frustrated. But yeah, this was a really good place for spending night and really beautiful place. This is open, I think, 9 months of the year, and 3 months there is a hunting gatherings here, so it's closed for the public. Yeah, we had a toilet also. We are ready to go. We're gonna go to my dad's place for making food and then meeting some friends, enjoying life again. Yeah, I think the theme of this video is enjoying life again. Not again. Our lives are really enjoyable every day, no matter where we are or what we do. And there is sign of autumn. When these bloom, it's autumn time. Oh my god, we have to go south. After visiting my dad, we just came quick night place just beside the Vuoksi. So this is what flows from Saimaa to actually Ladoga Lake from here. There's a couple of water power stations before it goes to Russia. Yeah, this is what the Finland Imatra is known of, the Vuoksi river.
Our van is parked just next to this gravel road, and we can admire the stream. The stream is kind of powerful in the river, but there is some calmer spots where we can go to dip in and little swim. It's autumn already, but incredible hot day, so I can wear this tank top and not be cold at all. We have been cooking good food, our favorite food, tortillas, and just enjoying these beautiful surroundings. Living on the road is exciting because we are always in these new surroundings and places exploring. We cannot control if some RV or motorhome just wants to park next to our van. There's nothing we can do. So I think that's the one reason why most of the van lifers will eventually buy their own private land or something, because they just want to control things. But this is a good balance between both of the worlds.
Even if we own our own property, it's a totally different case than being here on the nature with the van. We don't really need to own that property. It's just I don't know, maybe some bonus thing for us to have some kind of a home base. Maybe it's also with the feeling that we need to have some kind of home base where to go always back. So we are not that rootless anymore. It's enough for us to actually live in these kind of places where it's nobody else. The place is not used by anyone else, so it's basically excess land, and we just occupy those excess lands for a day or two in every place and then move on, and that's for our needs that is enough to live. Yeah, just enjoying places where people usually go once a year. We go there many times a year, every day. So there ain't any fishermen. Usually there's a fisherman. He's good pike place. There's a huge pikes on the upstream and also other good fish here. But yeah, just enjoying and sitting here. My friend is gonna pick me up and we're gonna go play some pool and frisbee golf. Van is good for traveling and it's also good for meeting old friends. It's really convenient way of actually meeting people around because you can go wherever you like and you don't have to really go sleeping in other people's beds, so you can actually just park your van and meet people and just continue.
Yeah.
Easy and convenient.
And also meeting relatives. And when your time is up, you can come inside your own house and have a relaxation.
Yeah, we can actually continue. We are out of LPG, or one bottle is empty, so we're gonna buy one full. It's 27 euros at the moment in Finland, and yeah, then we have enough LPG for the rest of the Finnish trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We never want the LPG to run out completely, so that's why we are traveling with the 2 bottles.
Yeah, so 2 bottles it is. It's really good because it's a convenient way. 2 bottles lasts approximately 3.5 months with LPG fridge on completely and making food on it.
Yeah, and making ice cubes.
Yes. Now LPG, then we're gonna head to Ruokolahti, which is a place where I...
Let's burn.
Yeah. I think that is the most beautiful wooden church in Finland. We have a lot of churches and wooden churches, but this is the most beautiful ones. I'm really a little bit biased because I have actually born in here, so maybe it has some effect, but this is really beautiful church. It's in a beautiful place. It's in the hill and you can see there's a Lake Saimaa all around you. Yeah. But yeah, I have good memories from that church. There was always before Christmas this singing things where you actually sing Christmas songs in that church, and it has really good acoustics and it's really beautiful inside when it's full of candles in the Christmas time. So good memories. Yeah. And because we are in eastern part of Finland, and okay, in Finland we had a war. So we have a lot of more war memorials over here. Even Simo Häy has a memorial. It's on that graveyard behind us. Yeah, every town has these memorials of the who has fallen in the past wars.
The smell of tar in this building is really good, and you can smell it far, far away. And it's very dark, and it looks like a Norwegian church. And the roof are these kind of wooden material. It's really exotic looking, beautiful building. Moss between my fingers.